Yeah, let that shoulder fall. Oh man, that was a beautiful thing right there.
Yeah.
It opened up like 5 ribs. Ooh, love it. Okay. Dude, that was beautiful, man.
Yeah, it felt good.
That was really nice. Other side. When you do a lot of rowing, did your low back kind of tighten up a little bit?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes.
I get a lot of shoulder burn because the clicking I've got.
Yeah.
And then on our last training session, like my forearms kept going numb.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Rolling here. Jeez, that's good stuff. Well, especially with the hands and forearms going numb, we want to clear out that neck for you. Good, right